Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I have uploaded video in this channel, but let's hope this new year I'm gonna continue uploading video regularly on this channel. So today we are going to learn everything about Flutter and Firebase. Everything from creating the project to completing a complete app using Flutter and Firebase. So let's start. Let's start by creating our Flutter project, and to do that, open a terminal, enter command flutter create demo app. Yeah, our project is created. This is the project. Now right click here, show more properties, and open with VS Code. Our first step is done. Now let's minimize it and open the Firebase console. You have to open it. You have to create your account if you have not already created an account. Then click create project, then name it demo. I will only name it demo, and then you can also edit your project ID. You can name it demo 1 2 3. Okay, now then click on the continue button, and you should disable this recommended. Click on create your project, then it will take some time to prepare your project. Let's wait. Now our project is completed. Click on continue, and our demo project will be open right here. Now what you have to do is to connect our Firebase project with our Flutter project. You can connect it individually for iOS, Android, and web, but you can also do it in simple way. Just click on the Flutter button and then click next. Then you can see this command, copy it. It was your Flutter project. Click right here, then click on terminal, and then here paste that command, and it will include the Firebase CLI. It will activate it. Now our Firebase CLI is activated. Then you can configure your Firebase project with this second command I have copied from that console. Now it will fetch all the available Firebase project and will ask you to connect for either Android, iOS, web, Windows, macOS, everything. You can either connect or disconnect it. You can configure from here. Now by default everything is checked, including Android, iOS, macOS, web, and Windows. To deselect an icon, you can just use arrow button and then hit space. Now I am in iOS. Now if I hit space button, then it will uncheck. If I hit the space button, it will recheck. For now I will uncheck macOS and Windows and will only enable Android, iOS, and then web. Now after this, you simply have to hit enter button, and then will ask you to put your package ID. If you are unaware about your package ID, just it was Android app and then build.gradle. Then scroll down and you can see under Android in the namespace you can see your package name. Copy your package name and then just paste it here, or if you cannot paste it, just simply write your package name, com.example.demo_app, and then hit enter. Now it will register your Flutter project on Android app and then iOS and then web. Yeah, you can see it has already registered for Android app. Now it is registering for iOS. And you can see some files are being added into our root directory of our project. See, right now one file has been added, and then right now it has already registered for iOS and is now fetching and registering for web app. And if you want, then you can save your ID for further configuration. And then now your complete Flutter with the Firebase setup is now completed. It was the console, and click next, and then continue to console. And now if you reload your project, then it will already indicate that your app is connected. Yeah, as you can see, it has 3 apps: Android app, iOS app, and web app. You can enable it. The next thing what you can do in your Flutter project is that click on the project overview setting icon, go to project settings, scroll down to your apps. Under Android app, you can see download icon besides Google Service.json file. Click on that file and download this Google Services.json. Now what you have to do is go towards your directory Android app and then download it, save it here. It may be done automatically while setup, but if it does not have that file, then you can do it manually from here. Save it, you can replace it. If it does not have, then you can download it right there. And for iOS, click on this iOS section and download the Google Service info.plist. Download it and then it was the iOS directory in runner. You can see it already have info.plist. Then here download your Google Service info.plist. It may automatically add, but it also may not do that. It automatically did for Android, but iOS it did not automatically download it, so you can manually do it from here. Now your Flutter project has been successfully connected with the Firebase, and now you can perform any database related operations or any user authentication you want in your Flutter app. And in the next video we are going to learn about the creating the database table in the Firebase using Flutter. Thank you.